Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce domain registration fees with Namecheap, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reduce your domain registration fees with Namecheap, start by visiting the Namecheap website. Make sure to create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, use the search bar to enter the domain name you want to register. After you hit search, Namecheap will present you with available domains and their prices. Take note of any promotional offers or discounts displayed on the results page. Compare different domain extensions, as prices can vary significantly. Select a domain that fits your needs and is within your budget. Proceed to the checkout page, where you can review your selected domain. Look for any additional services that Namecheap may offer, such as domain privacy protection or hosting. Consider opting out of unnecessary services to keep costs low. Before finalizing your purchase, check for any applicable promo codes or special offers available online. Apply any found discounts during the checkout process. If your domain is eligible for renewal discounts, note those for the future. Complete the payment and register your chosen domain. After registration, keep an eye on potential promotions Namecheap may offer in the future. Be sure to set reminders for renewal dates to avoid automatic renewal fees. Regularly check your Namecheap account for any loyalty bonuses or discounts on additional domains. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.